Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope all of you are fine today, and I also hope that all of you are ready to study today. Students, today we will learn about application letter or surat lamaran kerja. This materials is on KD 3.2. We'll go on. So students, you see the picture here. In this picture, you see some professions. And of course, before you enter to the world of work, you have to make your application letter first. Okay? Now, we will see first an example of application letter. This is the application letter. Lilis Handayani, Jalan Ayani, 389, Surabaya 65151, April 19, 2015. Mr. Frank Peterson, Personal Manager, Jeans & Co., Jalan Raya Pandaan 186, Pandaan Pasuruan, Jawa Timur 98502. Dear Mr. Peterson, I'm writing to you in response to your advertisement for a local branch manager newspaper appeared in the Jawa Post on Sunday, June 15. As you can see from my enclosed resume, my experience and qualification match this position's requirements. My current position, managing the local branch of a national shoe retailer, has provided the opportunity to work under a high-pressure team environment where it is essential to be able to work closely with my colleagues in order to meet sales deadlines. In addition to my responsibilities as manager, I also develop time management tools for staff using Access and Excel from Microsoft Office Suite. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to the opportunity to personally discuss why I'm particularly suited for this position. Please call me after 4 p.m. To suggest a time we may meet, I can be reached via telephone number 031-858-564 or by email at lilis@yahoo.com. Sincerely, Lilis Handayani. So students, this is the example of an application letter. And now we will see the important parts of the application letter. Kita akan melihat bagian-bagian penting dari surat lamaran kerja berdasarkan nomor yang kalian bisa lihat di situ. And I want to remind you, every time you see the pictures of a handwriting, it means that you have to write it down on your book. Kami juga ingin mengingatkan, setiap kali melihat gambar tangan menulis, artinya kalian harus catat itu di buku kalian. Okay, next. These are parts of the application letter. 1. Your address. Alamat, jelas ya. Second, the address of the company you are writing to. Use complete title and address, don't abbreviate. Alamat perusahaan yang kalian tujukan menulis surat tersebut. Gunakan judul dan alamat, jangan disingkat. 3. Always make an effort to write directly to the person in charge of hiring. Selalu mengalamatkan pada orang yang diberikan tanggung jawab. Number 4, opening paragraph, paragraf pembuka. Use this paragraph to specify which job you are applying for, or if you are writing to inquire whether a job position is open, question the availability of an opening. Number 5, middle paragraph, paragraf bagian tengah atau isi dari suratnya. This section should be used to highlight your work experience, which most closely matches the desired job requirements presented in the job opening advertisement. Do not simply restate what is contained in your resume, but give strong reasons why you are suited to the position. And number 6, the sixth part, closing paragraph. Use the closing paragraph to ensure action on the part of the reader. One possibility is to ask for an interview appointment time. Make it easy for the personnel department to contact you by providing your telephone number and email address. And the last part, always sign the application letter. Enclosure indicates that you are enclosing your resume. Okay, students, after you see part of the letter, now you will have to answer some question on the application letter. Sekarang kalian akan diminta menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan berdasarkan pada surat lamaran kerja yang sudah kita baca tadi, ya. Number 1, to whom is the letter sent? Number 2, who wrote the application letter? Number 3, what is the purpose of writing the letter? Number 4, what position is being advertised? And number 5, how did Lilis Handayani know the vacancy? Okay, students, that's all. Remember, all the materials with the handwriting should be noted on your book. Jadi semua materi yang ada gambar tangan menulis berarti harus dikerjakan di buku kalian. Take a picture of your book and then send it to Google Classroom. Kemudian difoto dan dikirimkan ke Google Classroom. Okay, students, I think that's all for today. For further explanation, if it is needed, we will have Zoom meeting for this. Nanti kalau kita butuhkan, kita akan adakan Zoom meeting untuk membahas tentang application letter. Okay? Okay, students, that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye. Stay safe. Stay at home. God bless you all.